Hi guys! I'm super excited because I've just got this new phone from China. It's a Chinese brand and today I'll be reviewing it. So let's go! So in the box there was a notice saying that I have to say Ni Yao to start the phone. So basically I would just have to say these Chinese words to make the phone start. Let's go! Ni Yao.
不好意思，我没听懂你说的话。
What is that? Okay, let me try again. Meow.
不好意思，我没听懂你说的话。
I have no idea of what's going on. Let me try one more time. Meow.
不
Meow. Meow.
好意思，我没听懂你说的话。
Have you noticed? She tried to pronounce the word ni hao lots of times, but it didn't work. Why? Because her pronunciation was wrong. This is the right way to pronounce it. Ni hao. Ni hao. You say that? See the difference? So, you too, do you want to practice Chinese? Well, if so, feel free to join us at MPTC. We can teach you how to speak English, Chinese and French confidently. Please check down the link in the description below for more information. Thank you.